Hello YouTube. So I got a package today. First I want to kind of explain what I'm doing here. This is my Bulkman 1510 CNC, which it's a 1500 centimeters by 100 centimeters. I got this machine to do sign work, and I was going to bid on a contract, but COVID came along, and then I got busy this summer with my company, and the signed contract came and went, so I'm not doing signs. I am familiar with CNCs, and I tried using a spindle with the Hyung YL600 series VFD. I have actually, I have Mach 3 and I use that on my other CNC. I was trying to get this hooked up. I was trying to hit a deadline. Ordered Open Builds black box. I think it's a way better system for what I'm using it in for. You can always, everyone's going to have their favorite. For me, keep it simple, stupid. Let's move this along and make things to make money. That was my thought. That contract's gone. I hope something else comes up. But wanted to show you what I ordered. So my spindle was working, and then I reset the VFD, and I have not been able to get it to work since then. So I ordered from Open Builds their new router, which is the ER11 router. I bought the mount, even though I think it's going to fit in my mount. I ordered the light to go on the bottom of the mount. Here's the hardware for the mount. Looking forward to that. And here is the main reason I bought this. When I bought this system, I was sold on spindles and variable frequency drives. But right now, after screwing around and programming and reprogramming, I don't know how many hours I have into this. But my time is pretty valuable, and I've got way too much time in it. So here's the reason I bought this. Oh, there's the wrench. This baby, light, easily half the weight of the spindle. Goes up to 36,000 RPMs, 32 or 36, I'm not sure. Plug it in, turn it on, dial in the speed. Geez, that's easy. There's the wrench that comes with it. The reason I bought another mount is I'm going to have two mounts on here. I've got to stiffen that up. Comes with extra brushes. It's going to fit in there. I'm going to be able to plug this in. I don't know how I'm going to run the cable yet. on my last video, I showed you that I got the black box working. It drew an object, the Open Builds Hello World logo. That just is telling the world that, yeah, this CNC is alive now and it's doing stuff. So now the next thing to do is do it with this router. I love this router. Here's the other thing I love about it. Check this. This is my dust collection. That's going to go like that. I'm going to have to figure this out, but I will. I may have to run like this, but needless to say, I'll get this figured out. I may have to trim this brush off, because that is not going to go through there. But regardless, if I have to trim this out, I will with my Dremel. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. And why didn't they let this go clear through? Let's look at this. Yeah, this is why it's built for this spindle. Well, I'm not so sure. Well, we'll figure it out. About the same. I'm going to have to see what's going on here. I'll just trim that out and make it work. Anyway, YouTube, so hopefully the next video, I have this up and running and I'm making signs. Thanks a lot. God bless. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.